Alright, we're back in. I'm gonna say cuss word on accident, but type in Tracer Gaming, go down, see this little guy right here, if you can see it. See my mouse? Come over here, see that little red subscribe button? Click that notification bell, hit all, and you will be subscribed to my YouTube channel. So, I am not going to be subscribed. But we're gonna move on to this game. Murder Mystery 2. Now I heard this game is a lot of fun. I've been playing it on my channel for about hold on. Okay, you can see nothing. All you're gonna see is this. The Murder Mystery 2. Okay. So, hi guys. I'm gonna say I'm a YouTuber. I'm a YouTuber. If they say no, you're not, I'm gonna say yes, I am. Oh, he just turned in. The boy. Cool. Who said that? Alright. OMG. It is actually. I slept. What's the channel called? What's the channel called? What's the channel called? Just asking. Is it Tracer Gaming? Is it Tracer Gaming? Is it Tracer Gaming? Oh yeah. Wait, what? Wait, what? I just died. Oh wait. So this guy, this guy actually, alright, the chat bubbles are slow, but, somebody said, I like it. I like it. What are you talking about? Is this even the murder? Oh, wait. Oh. I like it. That's why. Oh, that's the other game. This guy's just sitting. Alright, actually, shout out to, where's that guy? Shout out to the boy XD14768S. He is one of my fans. Can't believe it. Usually, I say I'm a YouTuber. And he's like, it's actually you. So, I'm gonna ask, do you like my setup? Do you like my setup? Do you like my setup? I'm gonna ask him. I don't trust anybody in this game. They just kill you. Oh no! Oh wait. Okay, good. Oh no! Oh, wait, they do? Wait, sad. Sorry, guys, for just all this crap, but sad. I forgot how to spell queen. Queen, you are subbed. You are subbed?
Two guys at our Southfield studios at the Ram Desk, Larry Murphy and John Keating. Well done, sir. Well done. All right, get it out.
All right, I'm gonna ask that.
Your Red Wings flooring in the third period, but we're tied at 2 after 2 periods of play. John and Murphy.
Same.
Getting an update that Brendan Perlini has a deep laceration to his nose, taking that skate blade in the first period. We'll have more on that post-game.
Okay.
Second period.
The boy.
Most of the season has been where things
The boy underscore XD and players. The boy XD and players.
But this is a game where I feel as a team,
Nope.
much more assertive, much more effective. Tremendous speed. I thought puck movement was good.
The boy
And
XD.
exactly where they want to be. Of course, now it's just hopefully
Oh no, he left.
shot, get that opportunity to take the lead, but still
XD147.
and what they have been able to accomplish. Right, with all the injuries, the lines have been a mishmash for Jeff Blashill all season. It's an intriguing setup, though, to get Larkin and Darren Helm and Anthony Manda on the same line. And we have seen that grouping for
I think, yep, that's him. I'm gonna add him as a friend. I'm gonna tell him I friend request you. I don't think he's on the game I'm on. Is this? Okay, I'll be back. Just a little bit. Okay, we're back on. Sorry for that. Okay, so cute. Okay, that guy's not on.
I said word for word. I said she doesn't put it in a whole complete sentence.
Sad.
I'm trying to get her to do that like faster. And I said that's why
I'm
reading a lot. So she's learning the punctuation and that.
exactly
She's got to go until that period or
okay.
stop. Like one word at a time.
LOL.
Little Caesar's extra most bestest pizza has a very exciting amount of cheese and toppings. It's all here in the recipe book. Mushrooms, ridiculous amounts. Pepperoni, ridiculous amounts. Sausage, ridiculous amounts. How much is a ridiculous amount? Ridiculous amounts.
Okay, yeah. This game's getting boring now. I sent him a friend request. You guys do love this channel, so why don't you do it again if you just logged in? If you just got on here, why don't you just search up Tracer Gaming, go down here, see this little thing, just type on that thing, see all this crap, just hit that subscribe button and hit up. You'll get a very good. So if that thing's red, just change it. I have no. I did join October 14, 2018. I got 80 views. That's actually good. Playlist. I got no playlist. Channels. Videos. These are all the videos I have. Yeah, but you can subscribe to that. Now some next time. Okay, remember last time I did the troll lobby? I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again. This is not gonna be a lot of typing. I know, but it's already been like 9 minutes, so half of the video's already been freaking typing. So I did get trolled yesterday. I kept getting mad because of this stupid thing, but now I can do it. Okay. Oh crap. Okay, this is where I get messed up, so we're gonna jump, we're gonna jump, we're gonna jump, and then we're gonna jump, and then we're gonna stop, and then what? I remember yesterday I actually got trolled. I got trolled yesterday by this. Got trolled again. I hate this. I remember yesterday. Yeah, yesterday was horrible. I am doing another video, it's just only if I have time, because my phone is actually dying. It's actually gonna... I am doing a lot of YouTubing. I have to do a lot of YouTubing for my beautiful fans. I'm not calling you... Well, I'm actually calling you great fans. Now, I know I don't have any merch, but you can just make your own merch by getting a white shirt and... don't even look at the chat. The chat is all about, these stupid people, about the, don't go to it. Okay, that actually looks like from Flamingo. Yeah, that's weird. Oh my gosh. Why? Come on. If I freaking die right here, I'm gonna be so mad. Okay, this guy thinks that he can be the awesome one. How? I can't do it. Okay. How's he? How can you stand on it? You can just stand on it. Alright, I'm staying on this side.
He was on his porch in that room.
Oh my gosh. I hate this.
What are you doing? Changing the tire for Jade?
Transformers and sub. Yeah, it's a fake bot. There's like a fake bot in here. I'm gonna say it's Flamingo. It's Flamingo. Flamingo. It's Flamingo. Okay, idiots. Yeah, that's Flamingo.
There is funny because there isn't hardly no snow out back in the neighbor's yard. And you look out front and the whole front yard is snow.
Oh my gosh.
There's no sun.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Yes, no, yes.
I just wonder if we'll get the
Flamingo.
5 inches.
Wait, what?
I know, yeah.
I hate this. No, yes, no, yes. Now if it tells me, victory is yours. Victory is stupid. I hate.
Why? I'm just wondering if we need to stock up on anything. We need bread.
Okay, I think Flamingo left the server because if he was recording and I was recording, that would be so funny because we were both recording. A lot of these people do not think I'm a YouTuber, probably.
I get around really enough.
Holy. It's that last jump that torches you.
That's 7:30.
And this is the easiest one. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm leaving. Let me take a little moment of silence. Oh my gosh, I hate this. Okay, that was a moment of silence. I hope you didn't hear that. It says don't press the button.
Oh yeah,
2. Remember, don't touch from Flamingo. I think this is the same person. No! I'm gonna see, don't touch. Don't touch. Please, 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 please. Apparently this is not the game. I don't know.
Here, Tristan.
Oh no. Sorry for that interference. You didn't hear anything I said. So we're gonna play Don't Touch. Don't Touch, which is not actually called Don't Touch. Okay, I don't know what happened. You guys don't know what happened. I don't know what happened, but these guys are being stupid. Did I join a stupid server?
We see a desperation of Bernier right here making that save. Whether or not this would have counted.
That was over the line. Right there. You know.
It's a kicked in goal.
What the crap is this? I don't even have my thing up, do I? Nope. I like that. Okay, it's off now. Okay, what happened now? Oh wait, that's a Pikachu? I didn't know that was a Pikachu. I thought it was a Poopachu. Sorry to all those people that like Pikachu. Their trades just came out. Oh my gosh! I hate you! I want to press the button. Nobody presses the button except for me. The YouTuber. Oh, no. Why are we blacking? Okay, what's going on? I pressed the button, guys. It's my turn to press the. Okay. What?